welcome or welcome to my channel for those of you who are new. So right now I'm currently on my way to my hair appointment. As you guys can see, I already have my hair blow dry and everything. I washed my hair with like 3 different shampoos and then I deep conditioned it, because for those of you who saw my last video, I had a silk press. So now I'm getting ready to get a really cute style, so stay tuned to see what style I get.
Conversation is so boring. What about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fuck, peace, sleep, love. Happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the act with the password? I need you, man. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I know about what I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Eat, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
Cause I spit that flavor to the top, yeah. I am not a killer, but I'm tough, I'm spinning right